हाँ जी, तो अब हम वापस आ गए हैं. We're back after Karan's been doing some stuff with the code side of things. What we're going to do is we're going to use a little tool that we've been developing in-house to help automate some of the more onerous web tasks that we kind of run into. तो ये tool जो है ये आपके थोड़े थोड़े web की activity को automate करने में आपकी मदद कर सकता है. ये tool का नाम है क्षेत्रपाल. और क्यों नाम है वो सब लंबी कहानी है, कभी किसी और वीडियो में बात करेंगे. लेकिन what we're going to do is we're going to launch a Xetrapal instance. Go ahead, launch that please, Karan. It tells you what it's doing. It sets up your little environment for itself. And Xetrapal works in the concepts of astras and vahans. Astras are tools that you can use to perform different functions online. So for this purpose, what we're going to do here is we're just going to grab a Google search and get all the text out of it. Now, Google has a certain issues with automation on its search engine. Obviously, if you automate something beyond a point, it's going to get you're going to end up overloading the Google search engine if everybody was using a bot. So I don't blame them, but we also need to be able to do this a little bit more efficiently than the slightly plebeian method of going and extracting links individually. So Karan, can you, so now you have a Samvad expal variable. So you do a BR or a browser variable. You're going to open a browser variable. So do a BR or a browser. BR equals Samvad expal dot get browser, if there's one of those things. Yep, get browser. Yep, go for it. So it's going to launch your browser. Yeah, so now you have a browser window. So what we want to do here is first select that you got whatever it wants you to get. Go back to the browser.
Okay.
Go back to the browser. Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Just click that okay, got it thing.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, and just go to google.com. So here we're just going to use the Xetrapal browser to grab the text. We're not going to automate all of this. You can also send Google an automated search query, but we don't want to spend time doing a CAPTCHA, so we're just going to go and do the Google search manually like Google likes us to do it. So Karan, can you put in your Google Doc?
So I'll just put a org site name. And
no, you want googlegov.in.
Oh yeah, gov.in, yeah. Gov.in site name. And then
And in text you want col.
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. That's all right. I think it's fine. You don't need to put in the quotes, I think. You should be okay with that. It's just the one word. You don't need the quotes. Fine. Okay, so we have a few different sites here. Now I want you to go back to the command line and do a br dot page source, if there's something like that. Tab. Yeah. Open bracket, close bracket. It's a function, I believe.
Yeah. Should I assign it to some function?
Yeah, no, just hit enter. Just let's see if it's got what we want. It's not callable. Okay, so just do a page source without the bracket thingies. Yeah, go for it.
It gives a large
body
of text.
So that's your HTML page source of the Google search. You want to put this inside a variable, but you want to get it inside a BeautifulSoup variable. So you do from BS4 import BeautifulSoup. Now you do BS or something, BeautifulSoup or the soup variable. Soup is equal to BeautifulSoup, the way it's written in camel case on top there, and then open brackets, and then you stick in the br.page source, and then you close the bracket, and then you hit enter. So you've got something inside soup now?
Yeah.
And then you do a soup.findAll. Now at the beginning of it, put an open square bracket. I want it before the square bracket. Linked list is equal to. And then inside the square bracket, no, up.
Linked list is equal to
After the square bracket opens, link dot get, open the round bracket, single quote, href, single quote close the bracket, space, for link in, and then hit enter. Now just type linked list and see what the input, what it contains.
yeah. There are
All right, you got all, great. So you got all the ones in the first page. So now you can go back to your browser, go to the second page, do the same thing again, append it to this list, and you can start to build a list of all the gov.in sites that you want to be looking at. So can you get rid of all the Google? So first, let's get the first 100 or so links, and then we can get rid of all the Google bits, and then we have something clean.
okay.
Because this has both google.com and it has policies and all that stuff. So you get rid of all that junk. Do you want to take a break here and write some code and do this a little more elegantly?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to wait until Karan comes back and does something here elegantly. I'm going to stop the recording here and leave.